In 2023, climate change continued to be a pressing global concern, with significant developments across the world. Rising global temperatures, extreme weather events, and environmental degradation remained at the forefront of discussions and actions. Here's a summary of key climate change trends and events in 2023. Increasing global temperatures. 2023 saw a continuation of the trend of rising global temperatures. The Earth's average temperature continued to increase, contributing to the melting of polar ice caps and glaciers. Extreme weather events. The year was marked by a series of extreme weather events, including wildfires, hurricanes, floods, and heat waves. These events disrupted lives, economies, and ecosystems across various regions. Efforts to reduce emissions. Many countries intensified their efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Renewable energy adoption, carbon pricing, and reforestation initiatives gained momentum as nations sought to meet their climate commitments under the Paris Agreement. Climate adaptation. Adaptation strategies became increasingly important as communities faced the reality of a changing climate. Investments in resilient infrastructure, early warning systems, and disaster preparedness were priorities in many regions. Global climate summits. International climate summits and conferences continued to provide platforms for global leaders to discuss climate action. The Glasgow Climate Conference, COP26, in 2022, set the stage for ongoing discussions and commitments. Climate migration. Rising sea levels and extreme weather events forced many communities to consider relocation, leading to discussions on climate-induced migration and the need for policy responses. Corporate responsibility. Businesses around the world recognized their role in addressing climate change. Many adopted sustainability practices, set emissions reduction targets, and invested in renewable energy sources. Youth activism. Young climate activists continued to advocate for climate action and raised awareness about the urgent need for change. Their voices played a significant role in pushing for more ambitious climate policies. Natural disasters. The year witnessed devastating natural disasters, such as wildfires in Australia and California, hurricanes in the Atlantic, and monsoon floods in Asia. These events highlighted the vulnerability of communities to climate-related impacts. Scientific research. Climate scientists continued to provide critical insights into the state of the planet. Research findings emphasized the need for rapid and substantial reductions in greenhouse gas emissions to avoid catastrophic consequences. In summary, 2023 was a year marked by both challenges and efforts to address climate change. While progress was made in some areas, the urgency of the climate crisis remained clear. The world continued to grapple with the need for swift and sustained action to mitigate the impacts of climate change.